My name is Quesnell. I'm a second-year drawing and painting grad. My focus for this art and science course and exhibition have been bone studies. I work in a lot of nasal cavities and then cancellous bone studies from cross-sections of bones I found out in the desert. I'm working with Charlotte Johnson at the ASU Natural History Collections. What she's been doing is giving me access to her collections for mammals and herps, and working with her has led to other opportunities at Berkeley and U of A. I recently got the School of Art's enrichment grant to travel to UC Berkeley to visit their herpetology and mammal collections for about 4 days. So them being the third largest collection of their kind in the country, it's been a huge improvement and validation to my work. And I'm also going to be doing the same thing at U of A's mammal collections. In my mind, while there is appreciation, I hope that it can nudge people in the right directions through visual interest, whether that be towards the arts or be towards the sciences from a new point of view. I want people to feel ambiguity with these pieces. They're so cavernous and cave-like that people can free associate in any manner they'd like, but then when they realize what it actually is, that's where I have this little moment that makes me happy, because they don't realize that these structures exist in every single one of them.